Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall a Microsoft Store app which is not available in uninstall option in control panel. You can uninstall it from control panel. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall this app Microsoft Clipchamp. There is no uninstall option, so you have to close it. Simply search here Clipchamp or which software you want to uninstall. Search here, then you are seeing that Microsoft Clipchamp app is showing. Now right click on it, and here you are seeing that uninstall option. Click on it and select uninstall, then your app will be uninstalled. Wait sometimes. Here now refresh it. Now search again. Here you are seeing that no Clipchamp app is available now. If you want to see from Microsoft Store it is uninstalled or not, you can check it. Here you are seeing that install option is available now, which was not available a few minutes ago. So that's all. Thanks for watching.